In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zoho Mail. If you're a new user or just need a quick refresher on how to access your emails, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can navigate your Zoho Mail with ease. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your email address and password. If not, you'll need to sign up for a Zoho Mail account first. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Mail homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your emails and utilize the various features that Zoho Mail offers. From here, the next step is to locate your inbox. The inbox is typically one of the first folders you'll see in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on the inbox icon will take you directly to your incoming emails. Now that you're in your inbox, you'll see a list of all the emails you have received. These are usually organized by date, with the most recent emails appearing at the top. To open an email and read its contents, simply click on the subject line or anywhere on the email preview. This action will open the email in full, allowing you to read the message, view any attachments, and respond if needed. If you need to perform other actions, such as archiving the email, marking it as unread, or moving it to another folder, you'll find these options available in the toolbar at the top of the email. Zoho Mail also allows you to search for specific emails using the search bar at the top, which is handy if you have a large volume of emails and are looking for something specific. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to open and navigate your Zoho Mail inbox. Remember, Zoho Mail offers a variety of features to help you manage your emails efficiently, so feel free to explore and customize the settings to suit your needs. Whether it's setting up filters, organizing emails into folders, or adjusting your notification preferences, Zoho Mail provides the tools you need to stay on top of your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.